SolidWorks has a unique operating logic that allows you to create parts, assemblies and details, which will be explained in this class. Come on, let's go. Project development in SolidWorks is carried out in three standard environments: Part, where we model the parts; Assembly, where we assemble the components; Drawing, where we do the detailing. These environments are controlled by templates which have some options set, such as units of measure. The user can also create their own templates, but this is a subject dealt with in advanced courses. Usually we start our work in the part file, where we create the pieces, which can be mounted in the assembly file, forming a set, or can be just detailed in the drawing file. Depending on product geometry and design intent, we have defined a sequence of operations for its modeling. In the part environment we work with sketches, which are the sketches through which we add or remove material to form solids. Sketches control the model through geometric and dimensional relationships, facilitating possible changes in geometry. In SolidWorks we can change the part at any time because the tools used are stored in the constructive sequence, allowing flexibility in the development of the project. Any changes made to a part will automatically propagate to all files using this part, such as assemblies or breakdowns. These changes can be made in any environment where the part is being used: part, assembly or drawing. Let's model this piece to see and practice how all this works. Since you haven't learned how to use the commands yet, just keep track. Look at the geometry and see that we have only one part, so we will use a part file for modeling. If there were several pieces forming a set, we would have to model each one at once, into separate part files, and then assemble into an assembly file. We open a new file part and we will draw the base sketch in the front plane. We click on Sketch and with the tool corner rectangle, we draw a rectangle starting from the source. See, some lines went black and some lines went blue. Black geometries cannot be moved, but blue geometries can. The sketch should always be defined, that is, with its geometry in black, which is achieved by applying geometric and dimensional relationships. With the tool Extruded Boss, Base we add material. Using Fillet we add the rounding. With the Hole Wizard Thule, we add the drills and save the part. This part can be inserted into an assembly file, through the menu file, Make Assembly from Part. Note the new environment, where we insert the part automatically. In this environment, the main activity is the insertion of constraints and relationships between components using the Mate tool. Breakdowns or drawings can be created from the part file, or assembly file. We save this file assembly, and then in the menu file, Make Drawing from Assembly, we start the drilling environment, which presents a sheet where we can insert the views and all the details needed to manufacture the part. These environments and the aforementioned operations will be studied in detail below. We have seen in this class the main characteristics of SolidWorks operating logic, explaining the way we work in the software.